Hi, regular EV Dad here. Just a short video on how to use an Electrify America charging unit. So we're here at the charging unit. We've driven up, so we're on the right side. We are going to select our plug first of all. Doesn't matter which. We're going to connect it in. And then just here, we're just going to lift it so it makes a nice solid connection. Then we have two choices, if we can get this in the light. So we can either select our number, this is number 1, and we can swipe, or if you selected it in the accounts page on the payment option, it says pay with NFC. Once you've enabled it, you'd never have to do it again. And then all you do, process. And you'll notice we have the payment and this one. We're only interested in this one. It's gonna say initiating charging, and then here we're gonna press the button one time, not twice because that'll cancel out. And then in a couple of seconds, we'll start charging. It's as simple as that.